Good boy. Well, good thing the stage at Nacional is bigger.
So we're gonna have, it's gonna sort of look like a pyramid. We're gonna have the drums on a 3-foot riser, like Stu on a 3-foot riser, then you and David on 1-foot risers. Cool. And then outside of that is gonna be strings choir.
Basically, like you see where the drums are going now, you'll have a riser where this gear is, and say David will have a riser where that gear is.
You're gonna have your own drum island.
Yeah, nice. A little island with all your percussion stuff set up. It's gonna be cool.
J'exagérerais pas, là. Après toi, Juliet.
Same thing. V-turn, yeah.
You are streaming live already.
Oh shit. Jeff gets nervous when he thinks people are watching him. So that means the camera should be on him the whole time.
Exactly. Now he's got something to be nervous about finally.
Stu, come say hi to 5 million people. Stu, look, this is live on this is live right now. Yeah, look.
What's up, Nomad TV? Feel great.
T'es confiant?
Ouais, confiant. En masse.
Hashtag made them lions. Got a few minutes still.
Make some noise! All right, put your hands together, everybody. Keep it going. first time I'm not sorry. In all these years, you're the one that I still dream of. All my fears fade away when you appear. Sing it! You're there to remind me the best things in life are free. You were there to remind me to stand up for what I believe. When I was down, when I was out, when I was blind, you helped me see. You were there to remind me that I've forgotten how. I've forgotten how to dream. You were there to remind me. You were there to remind me. Come on, everybody! To remind me, yeah, yeah. You were there to remind me. You were there to remind me. You were there to remind me. Nothing forgotten now. Sing it. Louder. Nothing forgotten how to dream. La musique depuis la maternelle, fait que je connais Matt et Jeff toute ma vie. Depuis qu'on a 5 ans, je pense.
Vous êtes allés à l'école ensemble.
Ouais.
C'est cool ça.
Ben, on vient tous de Laval puis on habitait très proche. Fait que c'est vraiment les amis d'enfance. Matt, il joue la guitare, piano, puis la basse. Jeff, guitare, bass. À un moment donné, c'était notre bassiste. Il jouait une bass à 6 cordes.
OK.
C'était débile. Moi, je joue la guitare, bass, les drums, un petit peu de piano, mais pas vraiment. Jono, c'est le bassiste, puis il joue la contrebasse
OK.
aussi, puis il étudie à McGill en bass, en musique, ouais. Puis il joue le piano aussi, il est très bon. Surtout, c'est vraiment un drummer percussionniste qui joue comme un petit peu de piano. Moi, je joue comme la guitare, piano, drum, beaucoup de guitare. C'est l'instrument, le premier instrument que j'ai appris à jouer. Beaucoup de drum aussi. J'ai comme le rythme en dedans de moi. Ouais. Walking to the room with my sunglasses on. There's like a million people moving to the beat of the song. That's when I see her staring at me with that look in her eye, like she wants to take me home. Nothing's gonna stop me as I move through the crowd. I gotta catch her in this moment while I'm out on the prowl. I can't let her slip away. She's got my heart in her hands. I can't stand to let her go. This girl drives me crazy. I lose my mind all over you. This girl drives me crazy. I can't help myself. I wanna take you. Moves by the bar, she stops for a round. Down to triple shot of vodka and a double crown. I can't let her slip away, she's got my heart in her hands. I can't stand to let her go. This girl drives me crazy. I lose my mind, I love you. Come on, this girl drives me crazy. I can't help myself from thinking what I wanna do. All right, I need everybody to sing it with us. You ready? All right, let's do this. She drives me crazy. She drives me crazy. She drives me crazy. Oh, so crazy. This girl drives me crazy. Lose my mind all over you. This girl drives me crazy. I can't help myself from thinking what I wanna do to you. Come on, jump, 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 jump.
De où sort le nom de l'album?
Ça, c'est une drôle d'histoire à cause.
Parce que c'est le fun, là, ça fait Montréal, mais en même temps, quand on sait
Ouais.
la signification derrière, c'est...
Mais c'est ça l'affaire. Tout le monde pensait que c'était Montréal. On disait pas oui, on disait pas non. Mais en fait, ça veut pas dire Montréal. Ça veut dire Made Them Lions, ce qui est le titre de notre album en ce moment. Et puis, Made Them Lions, ça sort un peu de notre passé, puis ça explique un peu notre histoire. On a vécu des troubles, il y avait des obstacles qu'il fallait surmonter. Puis on dit qu'on est devenu plus fort après avoir vécu tout ça, puis on est devenu comme des lions, Made Them Lions. Fait que c'est un peu ça l'histoire.
Ah, c'est bon, ça.
Ouais.
C'est cool ça. Good story. J'aime plus ça que Montréal.
Ouais.
Young child always thought the future would be brighter than the sun. Caught up in the rat race, tired of the same pace, wondering how things went wrong. Oh, maybe there'll be better days. Trying to rise above the smoke and haze. Pick up all the pieces buried in the ashes. Wanna wash it away. Crashing like a tidal wave, trying to find my way to the shore. Nothing's gonna keep me from places I belong anymore. Tell me what you're waiting for. You're waiting for that open door. Crashing like a tidal wave, trying to find my way to the shore. Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, we crash it like a tidal wave. Yeah, we crash it like a tidal wave. Sat down by the river, looking for the answers to the questions in the past. Been on the dark side, looking the moonlight while the sky was falling down. Oh, maybe there'll be better days. Trying to rise above the smoke and haze. Pick up all the pieces buried in the ashes. Come on, scream it! Crashing like a tidal wave, trying to find my way to the shore. Nothing's gonna keep me from places I belong anymore. Whoa, tell me what you're waiting for. You're waiting for that open door. Crashing like a tidal wave, trying to find my way to the shore. Never gonna break, carrying the weight. I know that I can make it. Like a tidal wave, I will make my way. I know that I can make it. Right now, I'm getting tired of waiting. Right now, the storm and tide is raging. Right now, I'm getting tired of waiting. crashing like a tidal wave, trying to find my way to the shore. Nothing's gonna keep me from places I belong anymore. Tell me what you're waiting for. You're waiting for that open door. Crashing like a tidal wave, trying to find my way to the shore. I'm just trying to find my way. Crashing, hey, hey, come on. Hey, hey, louder, hey, hey. Right now, I'm getting tired of waiting. Right now, the storming tide is raging. Right now. Alright, you guys ready to repeat after me? Now, when I say hey, you say hey, hey. Oh, hey, oh. When I say yeah, you say yeah, 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 yeah. When I say hey, now you say yeah, hey, hey. I say yeah, you say yeah. I'm so tired of waiting, waiting.
C'est des gars très genuine. Et puis, ils sont intelligents, ils travaillent fort. Puis, ils n'ont pas comme des complexes de ego, tu sais. On pratique, avec les batteurs qu'on a. On a comme 2 batteurs de plus qui vont jouer sur scène avec nous. Fait qu'eux autres, ils viennent pratiquer toute la semaine. On a comme...
Ils pratiquent pas avec vous autres tout le temps, eux autres. Ils viennent juste pour votre show.
Ouais, mais pour les shows.
OK.
Mais normalement, non, ils ne sont pas avec nous autres. Après ça, il y a même des chanteurs. On a comme un petit choir qu'on a bâti de 8 personnes environ. Puis eux autres, ils viennent jamais avec nous autres durant toute la semaine. Et on a aussi été chercher un petit string section. Fait qu'on a un violon, viola, cello et contrebasse. Puis Jono va jouer le contrebasse. Puis c'est tous ses amis de McGill qui vont jouer avec nous autres.
This one's called Hide. Baby, I've been trying so hard for you. You know that I've been trying so hard. You know that I've been trying. Look into these tired eyes, see the animal inside. How much longer can I hide from you? I don't know where I went wrong. Is there someplace I belong? How much longer can I hide? How much longer can I hide? Here I am, just a man with nothing left to give. I'm all I have to give. Oh, if I could change the world with my 2 hands, I would try to make you understand. No one's perfect, but you know I can. You know I can't go on. Baby, I've been trying so hard for you. You know that I've been trying so hard. You know that I've been trying. Look into these tired eyes, see the animal inside. How much longer can I hide from you? I don't know where I went wrong. Is there someplace I belong? How much longer can I hide? How much longer can I hide? Oh, say what you need to say. Say what you need to say. Pull out your lighters or your cell phones. Oh, say what you need to say. Say what you need to say. You know that I've been trying so hard. You know that I've been trying. You know that I've been trying so hard for you. Look into these tired eyes, see the animal inside. How much longer can I hide? How much longer can I hide? I don't know where I went wrong. Is there someplace I belong? How much longer can I hide? How much longer can I hide?
On aime beaucoup de mélodies. T'sais, on aime des groupes comme un des premiers bands que j'ai jamais écouté, c'est The Beatles. Puis pour moi, c'est toutes les mélodies. C'est ça le focus des groupes comme ça. C'est devenu ma passion aussi, les mélodies. Fait que j'ai l'impression que quand tu te concentres beaucoup sur les mélodies, ça devient pop. T'sais, ça devient catchy. Tout ça. Mais aussi sur l'album, il faudrait noter qu'il y a des chansons plus dark. Puis pour la première fois, on a été capable avec cet album de démontrer qui on est vraiment comme artiste, puis démontrer tous nos côtés musicaux.
Light up the dark and shine, oh, whoa, whoa. Go! You shine so bright, you're like a burning star. Black night, your eyes, it's my heart. Keep me hypnotized for a long while. I've been floating through the atmosphere, spinning in a cosmic haze. When I lose myself, your fire lights the way. Come on, sing it. Dark and shine, oh. Light up the dark and shine. You fly so high, moving at the speed of light through time. It's world free, I feel it. You make me believe in this world. Dimensions are more than just three. I see the colors surrounding me, and I want to break free. Floating through the atmosphere, spinning in a cosmic haze. When I lose myself, your fire lights. Come on, sing it. Light up the dark and shine on. Light up the dark and shine. Dark and shine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But then you make me feel it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're making me believe I've been floating through the atmosphere, spinning in a cosmic haze. When I lose myself, your fire lights the way. It's all you guys. Thank you.